In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly find the latest job postings on Glassdoor. If you want to see the most recent opportunities first, this walkthrough will help you do exactly that. We'll start by getting you signed in, then we'll run a search, open the results, change the sorting to show the freshest postings, and finally browse those newest listings. First, open Glassdoor in your browser or the mobile app and log into your account. Being signed in keeps your preferences consistent across devices and helps the site load relevant results faster. If you're using the app or prefer the website, I've placed the download link for the app and the website link right at the top of the description so you can get to Glassdoor quickly and follow along. Next, use the search bar to enter what you're looking for. Type a job title, a keyword, or a location, whatever best represents the roles you want. Keep your terms simple and specific. For example, product manager or data analyst, and add a city or region if you want results focused in one area. Straightforward terms typically return the cleanest results. Now click search to open the job listings page. This is your results hub. You'll see job titles, company names, locations, and the date each job was posted. Take a second to note how the page is laid out, because the control you need next sits at the top of this list. Look for the sort by drop-down near the top of the job listings. On desktop, it's usually labeled clearly as sort by. On mobile, you might see a sort option or a small icon near the top of the results. Open that menu. From the drop-down options, select date. This tells Glassdoor to reorder the results so the most recent postings appear at the top. Once you choose date, you should immediately see newer roles bubble to the first few rows, often marked with labels like just posted or a recent timestamp. From here, simply browse the latest jobs. Scroll through the list and you'll be seeing the newest openings first, which is exactly what you want when roles move fast. Keep an eye on those posted dates to gauge how fresh a listing is, and revisit this view regularly to catch new postings as they appear. And that's it. You've sorted Glassdoor by date and can now quickly find the latest job postings. Links to the Glassdoor website and the mobile app are at the top of the description if you need them. Thanks for watching.